What's going on, world? I'm back with you again with another video brought to you by Cash Builder System, CFF, on this day, new month, 11th, 05/2023, brought to you by Club Cash Funds. Update about how my progress is going, about my hits, and collecting mailing kits to other prospects who are interested in Club Cash Funds. Here is my progress about my Club Cash Funds marketing website. What is converting, what is not converted. As you can see here, I created this this new link. It's an old link now, 2 months ago, and I created more. And I've generated a lot of hits already. Some request a kit, some don't. But as you can see, world, who is interested in Club Cash Funds, I'm getting hits on Club Cash Funds. Yes, I'm getting hits. This is for the back office. It's on a rotating system. The owner have set up a rotating system on Club Cash Funds by your website rotates. I don't know how long, but it's rotating right now as I speak. I get hits. I get people request a kit. Non-business owner out there, this is a serious matter. The holiday is just around the corner. What are y'all waiting for? What are you waiting on? That is the biggest question. Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting on? Ain't nobody gonna help you but yourself. Ain't nobody gonna help you to gain access to your financial freedom. We all alone out here. We ain't got no extra help. What are you gonna do for the holidays? Yeah, the holidays are here. It's Turkey month. Y'all know that November comes. It's a holiday that's already started. How y'all gonna feed your family? Buy that big old turkey, 10-pound turkey. How y'all gonna do that? That's the big question. You need funds to do that, to keep smile on your face. Yeah. But anyway, back to my story about CCF, Club Cash Fund, how I created old links. It's not new no more, to find where is my hits coming from. And I'm getting hits already. I'm getting requests for my kit. I can't stop stressing this. Non-business owner out there, you have to be a creative person. You have to have a creative mind. If you don't have a creative mind, ain't nobody gonna help you. Must believe that. Ain't nobody gonna help you. We all chasing the same dollar signs. We all chasing the extra money. We all chasing it. Letting you know right now, I'm bringing it to your house. All you gotta do is request your kit. It is free. It is paid for. The postage is paid for by the owner himself. He's willing to do that, to pay for all the stamps and request your kit in the mailbox and follow the instruction in the kit and return it back to the owner so he can return your kit back to you and do the same thing what I'm doing today. I don't know what's wrong. I know what y'all thinking about, sitting around. Ain't nobody gonna help us but yourself. True story. I don't know how I'm gonna put it. If you don't do for yourself, how you expect somebody gonna do for you? Ain't nobody gonna do nothing for nobody. They all alone out here. They need help. We all need help. We all need extras. So, non-business owner, I keep telling y'all, why y'all still looking and commenting and liking? When you're pushing those buttons, you can sign up for something and do what I do. Again, relationship is obsolete. People are getting divorced. People ain't staying together no more because they're not happy no more. Something is going on in the household that's not making the family stay together anymore. That goes to tell you it's a big problem. It is a big problem. Lack of funds can't keep no family together. Lack of understanding, you can't keep no family together. Lack of no extra income coming in, you can't keep no family together. So what y'all gonna do? Sit around, look at each other, or hate each other? The damage is done. If you say, I don't want to be with you no more, I don't want to be with you no more. I'm not happy no more. Something is wrong with that picture. You have to find your happiness. You have to find your happiness to stay together. If you don't do, man, I don't know what else to say. We all looking for the same dollar bills. We all looking. Like I said, I'm bringing it to your eyeballs. All you got to do is join. It's free to join until you pay for it. I got a lot of programs out there. It's free to sign up. Just take the tour. Lock your position in. If you want to decide you want to come in 100%, you may do so. All the tools and all the websites are done for you. All you got to do is start promoting. It's free to promote if you don't have no marketing money to promote. That's the big question. I'm doing my marketing for free. I don't have no marketing money to get more leads. More money, more marketing, more sales. If you don't have no more marketing money, you ain't gonna get that much sales. So my marketing effort is a free organic marketing. This is what I can afford until I start seeing some more funds coming in. That is the name of the game of marketing. I can't stop stressing this. Non-business owner out there. You keep looking. Keep liking. Thank God for the comments. Thank God for the like. It helped my YouTube out. It helped my Twitter out. It helped my TikTok out. It helped my Facebook out. Now it's time to join. It's the holiday season. The turkey month is here. What y'all gonna do to feed your family? I don't mind the food stamp. It's okay, but once you use some money, stimulate the nation of United States of America. We all need to stimulate the American dream. Yes, we all need to stimulate. We need to spend some money in America at the store. Whatever store is still open, we need to stimulate it. Food stamp ain't gonna do it. That's from the government. Free food. I call it free food. So we need funds to stimulate the American people. No funds, can't stimulate, can't buy nothing. Again, Club Cash Fund. This is my second video about my progress, how I'm getting hits on the links I've created a couple months ago. As you can see, I created all this link. It's called a share code, source code. Share code, source code. It's very easy to put together. I'm my own student. I teach myself. I'm my own professor. I want to understand marketing. It's very easy. If you're a willing student, you can put your mind in anything you want to do, and you're going to be successful in what you touch and how you think. We have to rewire our brain cells, y'all. We have to rewire our brain cells. Real talk. Yeah. So Club Cash Fund, all you do is request a kit. It's only $20 come aboard. If you want to come to a pro member, they got a pro department. You can pay your monthly dues, and boom, you start getting extra money back in your pocket. But Club Cash Fund, they only give you $20 per pop. Imagine having 100 Club Cash Fund kit coming in the mail by your effort, and everybody following instruction and dropping the kit off. Boom. You don't know how much money you're going to get. Where'd you set yourself in position? That is the big question. Put yourself in position like I'm doing now. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm getting good at it. I'm better at it. I'm still learning. There's a lot to learn. I'm willing to do it. So if you see my link out there, non-business owner out there, Club Cash Fund, request your free kit. I'm not begging y'all. It's the holiday seasons. They got 2 more months to the new year. What y'all gonna do? 2 more months for the new year. Yeah, 2 more months. So if you see my kit, my link out there, any of this link out there, join and request your kit. Thank you. Gladly appreciate it. And if y'all on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna do a little intro about my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment, like a video, or join one of my opportunities. It will gladly help me appreciate it and bring more content to my YouTube channel. Or maybe if y'all join and grow my YouTube channel, I'm gonna start giving money away to say thank you to support my YouTube channel on the back end. I'm everywhere now. I'm a good promoter. I am everywhere. I'm willing to do this. I'm willing to go 100% in. So if you see my YouTube, my TikTok out there, subscribe, like, comment, follow me, and I'll follow you back. So when you grow all my social media site, start making some money, I'm going to start giving money away. That's a promise. All right, I'll come back with you again with another video. Request your kit by Club Cash Fund. Short word, CCF. CCF. So talk to you again. Come back with you again with another video. Thanks.